welcome to our Homeopathic Remedy of the Month series. If you've been following along with my emails, blog posts, and other videos this month, you know that it's American Heart Month. So this month, I want to introduce a homeopathic remedy and herbal tincture that is an excellent supportive remedy for the heart. It's called Crataegus oxyacantha, or Crataegus for short. Crataegus is made from the hawthorn berry, which is known for its high antioxidant properties. And what do we know about antioxidants? They're wonderful for lowering both bad cholesterol and blood pressure. Crataegus can be used in homeopathically potentized form or in the herbal tincture form, which is the way I use it in practice most often. If you don't yet understand how homeopathic remedies are made, I'd highly recommend taking an intro to homeopathy class with myself or another homeopath so that you can understand that process. I'm not really going to go more in depth on that in this video. Because Crataegus is useful for overall heart support, it can be used for almost any type of heart issue. It helps balance the blood pressure, so whether it's too high or too low, it can be useful in either case. If you know you have plaquing of the arteries, known as arteriosclerosis, it can dissolve those plaques. If you have a weak heart, it can strengthen the contractions of the heart muscles. Something that we've been hearing a lot about lately after the big illness of 2020 and the introduction of therapeutic measures for that illness, neither of which I can say on a YouTube video, is myocarditis. This is an inflammation of the heart muscle. And yes, Crataegus can even be beneficial for those with this heart condition. If you suffer from anxiety with heart palpitations, heartbeats that are too fast or too slow, edema around the heart murmurs, or general chest pain in the area of the heart, Crataegus could be useful for you. If you have swelling of the lower limbs and they are constantly cold, this could possibly signify a circulation issue, and Crataegus could be just what you need. Now, there are some issues that Crataegus can be useful for that are not necessarily related to the heart. Things such as diabetes, difficulty breathing, depression, gout, anemia, Alzheimer's, kidney stones, and excessive sweating of the palms of the hands. Usually, people who can benefit from Crataegus will have symptoms that are better from getting fresh air and be worse in warm rooms. And for those that have already had heart attacks, Crataegus can be very useful in healing the heart walls if used soon after the heart attack. But I'll say this in each video. Just because you or a loved one has one or more of these symptoms doesn't mean that this is the appropriate remedy choice. This is just one of many remedies that could be considered. The person's entire health picture needs to be evaluated to determine if this remedy would be the best match for their health status. Thank you for joining me for this Remedy of the Month, and I will see you next time.